welcome to the 2021 Halloween Clean and Decorate with me. I want to quickly say this is just part of it. This isn't even everything I have, so this year it's going to be huge. And I'm going to give you a quick haul of what's here, and then we'll jump right into cleaning and decorating. So I do want to say that everything you see here was either on sale or it was from like Five Below or the Target dollar spot. And so you don't have to spend a lot of money. I actually recommend not spending a lot of money. Everything was either TJ Maxx, Target, on sale, or like Five Below. So first of all, here's a wreath I'm gonna put above the fireplace with some little bats. And I was totally inspired by Brianna K, 100%. I love her Halloween decor. This is a TJ Maxx find, and it was, I think I left a tag on. So this was $16.99 at TJ Maxx, and you get this, and it's already pre-lit. I didn't have to put batteries in it, so I think that's a pretty good deal. These were all TJ Maxx, they're all done, and they were all, let's see, they were all $16.99 at TJ Maxx. So these four came together, and they were from the Target dollar spot, and I think that they were $5. Actually, now that I think about it, these three came together, and this one came separately, so this one might have a... So this was $3. It's pretty good. I got my spider web from Amazon, so that was an Amazon find. These were also Amazon finds, but I don't think that I'll be using them this year, so I'm gonna put those away and use them for next year if I don't find a spot for them. This boo sign, which I think is my favorite thing for this year, was from Kohl's, and it was half off. But I wanna see if I can find a price. I don't think I can, but I think it was, oh, here it is. So normally it's $49.99, but I did get it a half off. And we have a bunch of little pumpkins we're gonna use this year. This one was $3 from the Target dollar spot. Another $3 from the Target dollar spot. I think they're all $3 from the Target dollar spot. And look, I love using black and white for Halloween. That's my favorite, it's my go-to color. And these individual little tubes of pumpkins were each $3. Moving over here, this was from the at-home store actually, and it was $24.99, so a little bit pricier, but I absolutely love bats and it fit my theme, so I went ahead and got it. This was a TJ Maxx find, I know that, but I'm looking for the price. I am gonna stuff his mouth with candy. He's gonna go on our tray on the coffee table, and he was $12.99. These are Target dollar spot finds, and they were $5 each. My cute little Ray Dunn sign that I love, it's gonna go on our entertainment center, and it was $7.99. And these are two little trees that I got from the Target dollar spot. I believe they were each $5. Yep, $5. And they're cute. They're gonna go on the mantle. Also got some pillows, Hey Boo, and then it has a spider web on the back. This was from the Target dollar spot, and it was $5. And my Happy Halloween pillow. And I believe this was $5 as well. I'm so excited to be doing another decorating video. I feel like I just put up all of this fall stuff and now it's coming down and Halloween is going up, and I can't even believe it because in just 2 weeks I'm gonna be starting to figure out Christmas. It's just insane how quickly this time of year flies by. And I do want to start by thanking my mom, who is amazing, who was playing with Kennedy in the background. If you see her, that's my mom, and she was playing with Kennedy, and then after Kennedy fell asleep, she was helping me pack up some stuff, and that's all I can really say. Use your village, because I would not be able to get this done today if my mom wasn't helping me out. So I am going to start by cleaning off and decorating our entertainment center. I wasn't able to decorate this in the first part of the fall clean and decorate because we didn't have it yet. It just came in and I absolutely love it. I know a couple of people have asked for the link to it, and I will link that below. And I went with just like a simple black and white theme this year, and I just mixed in some pops of orange and stuff like that, and those are my favorite colors to decorate with. That way I feel like it's not getting too overwhelming and it's just staying nice and simple. And Halloween was something that was kind of causing me a little bit of anxiety to think about decorating, so that's why I went with a scaled back, simpler color theme. And as I'm struggling with getting these pumpkins in the bowl that you can all see, they all kept falling out. I am gonna say that this is real life, and I wanted to include that because all throughout this video things were just going wrong. It must be a Halloween ghost coming and trying to mess up all of my decorations, but I've never had so many problems while decorating as I did decorating for Halloween with decorations falling over and stuff, and I thought it was really funny and fitting. And here is the completed entertainment center. The kind of theme that I'm going for, I'm not really sticking to it very well, as you can see, but I did want to go with a bed and breakfast, but more of a dead and breakfast. I know that's super corny and super funny, but I definitely wanted to stick with kind of a theme to kind of give myself something to work with. And that's a tip if you are having trouble starting. Just try to think of a fun theme, and then it'll help you get right back on track. But you guys know me, I love decorating for everything, and that is a big reason why I started my channel. As some of you know, I started my channel back in February, and it was kind of after all the decorating stuff, and it was because I was so inspired by all the motivation that I saw other moms give during their decorating and cleaning videos, and I wanted to do that too. And I had to wait till this time of year to really start doing all the decorating, and that is just kind of a passion I've always had. I love motivating people and encouraging people, and I also love being a mom, so I decided to combine my passions here. And now I'm moving on to taking out this blanket. I'm gonna pack it up, and I'm just moving the blanket from the couch over because I thought it was kind of ghostly looking for the blanket in the corner. And I don't know what I'm gonna do for Christmas. I have to maybe find a Christmas blanket to put there, but I'm sure that we'll find something really cute and it'll work perfectly. If anyone's curious, I'm using a Windex wipe to wipe off our new fireplace that we got. It's an electric fireplace, and it has a mirror on it, and Kennedy loves standing up on it and getting little fingerprints on it, so I was just gonna wipe those off. But we did get this new fireplace. Let me know if you like it. We love it. It's actually a heater as well, and it turns on. It's an electric fireplace, and we thought that it was something that could travel with us when we get our new house. Maybe go in me and Matt's bedroom there. There isn't room here, but it worked perfectly in this little alcove. But here are those little bats that I was talking about, and I did mine on the cheap from Five Below. It cost me like probably $2 or $3 to do all this, and I absolutely love these little bats. They're so cute. I was so inspired by what I saw on Brianna's channel that I wanted to do it here, and I think that Kennedy really liked them because she kept looking at the bats, and it was so funny. And I love how this fireplace turned out this year. I think that the alcove part really does give it some more dimension. I was concerned about how it would look, but I like that it's more of a 3D effect. This sofa sectional is an area I want to keep working on because I don't absolutely love how it turned out, but it's getting there. We're getting there. It's just not quite there yet. But let me know if you have any suggestions. I'll probably look for a blanket to go across the back and maybe some matching pillows, but just let me know in the comments. It's just going to be a little bit of workshopping, but if you have any suggestions, I am totally open to that. And now you can see my mom helping me out in the background there. She was helping me put away the pillows from the couch because she is amazing. So shout out to her. And I know I mentioned it a little bit earlier, but Christmas is right around the corner and I am of course going all out for Christmas. I know that you wouldn't expect anything less of me around here. That's just how it goes here. And I want to know what you guys want to see included in that video. Do you want to see a Christmas recipe or like some Christmas baking? Do you want to see a Bath and Body Works haul? I'd be willing to do all those because I'm going to be doing those anyway, and I just want to know what you want included in that video because I am planning on making it like an extravaganza. We are going all out and I am so excited, and again, it's right around the corner. But now we're moving on to the coffee table, and everything that I used on this table is from TJ Maxx, and I did not spend a lot, which is a huge tip. Don't spend a lot on things like Halloween. I don't even spend a lot on Easter. We're still working with Target Dollar Spot on stuff like Easter and 4th of July and stuff like that. But Christmas, I spend a lot more than I usually do, but that doesn't mean that you have to. The Target Dollar Spot still has amazing stuff for Christmas, and the Dollar Tree has some incredible stuff too. Just don't break the bank because your kids will be happy no matter what you do. When I look back on things like holidays, I remember baking cookies and trick-or-treating with my parents. I do remember the decorations, but it's not as important in my mind as the time we spent together. We're gonna be moving on to the kitchen in a couple seconds here, and this next thing I had a dream about and I wanted to replicate it, where it was kind of a witch's kitchen type thing, and then the Target Dollar Spot happened to have all of these amazing little potion bottles and stuff, and I decided to make this dream come true. So I got these risers. Everything here is from the Target Dollar Spot, by the way. And those little bottles light up, and I got the sign as well, and my mom actually wrote all that out because she has much better handwriting than I do. And this was full of eyeballs. I saw the eyeballs, I saw the candy thing, and I decided it had to happen. Here are those little potion bottles I was talking about. And I ended up filling those clear ones back there with some water, and I put some food coloring in them that kind of matched the aesthetic, so it would be like little potions. And then I put all the stuff on the risers, and I cannot believe how cute it turned out. I am so happy with it, and I hope you guys like it too.
Take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah.
How cute are these little light up potion bottles? I think it pulls this whole thing together. Now we're starting to come to the end of this video, and I want to thank every single person who made it all the way through the end. It really helps my channel. I can't even tell you how much it helps my channel grow, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider hitting the subscribe button and turning on your notifications, because again, that helps little channels like mine be suggested to other people to see, and then we can just share all the motivation and all the positivity all over YouTube. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the thumbs up, and also leave me a comment letting me know what your favorite part of today's decorating video was. And like always, I just want to say that you are an amazing mom, and your kids have the perfect mom for them. Even if you don't decorate for Halloween or go all out, that is 100% fine. Some people do, some people don't. As long as your kids are happy and healthy, it doesn't matter even one little bit. I will see you in just a couple of days in another motivating video. And until then, take some time for yourself, because you can't pour from an empty cup. Bye, beauties.
I'm a sucker for your love.